Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Rellenong Ampalaya. First, let's prepare our bitter gourds. You'll need about 2 to 3 medium ampalaya. Slice them into 2-inch thick rings and carefully remove the seeds and white pith. To lessen the bitterness, soak the rings in 4 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of rock salt for about 10 to 20 minutes. Afterward, rinse them well under running water and pat them completely dry. Now, let's create the delicious stuffing for our ampalaya. In a mixing bowl, combine about 1/2 kilo of ground pork with finely minced garlic, onion, and 1 small carrot. Add 1 beaten egg, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and season with 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, incorporate 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined and slightly sticky. With our filling ready, it's time to stuff the ampalaya. Take each ring and carefully pack it tightly with the savory meat mixture. To help keep the filling in place, lightly dredge the stuffed ampalaya in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, pan-fry the stuffed ampalaya for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. To finish our Rellenong Ampalaya, let's make a delicious sauce. In the same pan, sauté some minced garlic and 1 small onion until they are fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir in 1 teaspoon of sugar and a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Finally, return the pan-fried ampalaya to the pan, cover, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is fully cooked. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.